All right, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and record KMT in USA because I forgot we're in the early game and what Italy does right now does not matter. So on to KMT. So KMT gets 6. We're gonna get 2 cavalry, and then I think I thought about it long and hard. I think we're gonna just make CCP pay for that round 1 attack, losing everything. Can't let that go unpunished. So we'll see if we can punish it. So we're gonna set an attack in with everything and take it from there. Alright. And then we're gonna retreat at a 10, 11, and 12 for all our guys. So we'll make the cavalry black, make the infantry white. Whoa, a lag there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we can actually we'll roll the enemy at the CCP at the same time. We'll roll them right here. Alright, see how this goes. These are 1s, these are 2s, these are militia 2s. Okay, looks like no hits. And then 1, 2, 3, 3 retreats with infantry. Let's give it another go. KMT doing their thing. Oh, we got 1 hit, 1 infantry retreat, 2 infantry retreat, 0 hits there, 1 CCP militia down, 2 infantry retreat. Alright, we're going again. There's the kill. 1 infantry retreat. 2, 3 infantry retreat. Wow. 1 militia kills in it. We'll take an infantry. And then any more retreats? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. CCP have lived a short life. China goes up. They should be at 8. And then any non-combat. I guess the Japanese could attack, kill this infantry if they wanted to. I'll just leave it there to be annoying. Well, I'll move it right here. And then these guys are in here. These guys are in here. Place 2 cavalry. Chips are for losers. No, I'm just joking. I just like seeing all the infantry here. Okay, cool. We should be at 8. USA. We're at 6. How many major upgrades do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we really need to upgrade this medium? Kind of have to. Tech's so much fun. Alright, we're upgrading the medium to a major. And collect 6. That's it. Okay, let's see if I can load this up in HD next time. All right, we're done.